I thought I'd do a little bit of a another update video. I just did one, I don't know, maybe it was a week ago. I'm losing track of time these days. I've spent so much time out here. I'm starting to lose my marbles, but only in a good way. It's all good things. So we did some work. As you can see behind me there, I'm just doing some seeding, but I wanted to take a break. I decided to get some of the new Growalls up the other day, so I had a friend of mine out and we worked for the afternoon and got everything laid out and planned out, and we built some Growalls and stood them up. Actually, we didn't build them. These are ones that were brought over from another system, and so we just cleaned them up and kind of adjusted them a little bit, and then we fit them through, which it was like a true act of God. I don't know how we made them through here, but I've showed videos of the space before, but I don't think it really shows how small it really is. Like the total grow space is like 400 square feet, so there's not a lot of space in here. And anyways, these walls are 8 feet tall and 10 feet long. And so, yeah, we fit 4 of them through here. We followed through this little corridor here, as you can see. I actually had to take this cabinet out right here, which was my friend Justin's idea. It was brilliant. We wouldn't have been able to do it without it. Through this little hallway and then out. Thankfully, I framed in a pretty big door when I closed in this portion of the aquaponics system. So, yeah, we had space there. That was the easy part. It was getting it through the rest up here and not knocking over this other grow wall or whatever to get it in. So anyways, we went from about 300 plant spaces to about, I guess, 1,700 plant spaces. It's so recent that I haven't really sat down and done the math, but yeah, I'll show you guys what I got going on. So this was the existing one here. Obviously, that's operational. I better show you what's happening before I go too much further. Look at those beautiful little babies. Now, they're not so little anymore, but this is what's happening on the wall. Just a whole bunch of beautiful lettuce. There's a little bit of basil. I put a few basil in here. The ones that are in here are doing great. There's one there. And lots more planting to come. But the most exciting part is, look at that. 4 more Growalls. Phenomenal. So, like I say, fitting them in here was quite a chore, but they're in here now, and it's time to get to work, man. Like, it's this thing's quickly turned into from a little hobby to a full-time job, but it's amazing. Like, it's gonna feed so many people and do a lot of good. So I love it. I'm just gonna keep going with it. So anyways, that's that. You can see the 4 walls. They're just in place right now. Like they're framed in and fastened and secure. But as you can see, like even here, if you look at this wall, I haven't even got to the pipe leveling and getting the drainage proper and getting the water flowing and that. I have some plumbing to do for the inlets. Thankfully, I ran the main drain already, that 4-inch pipe on the wall there. I ran the main drain initially just with the forethought that this was going to expand soon enough. So that's all good. I've got all the drains cut in at the end there. So we're in good shape there. So yeah, that's where we're at. I mean, I can tour around. I added 1 set of lights down below in my sump. And so I've got a couple couple of rafts down there with some babies in there, and these rafts in here, they're doing great. Started some microgreen trays. This tomato, man, this tomato is just, this guy's like, he's my thermostat to tell me whether this system's working properly or not. He's my gauge. So as long as this guy or girl looks like that and it's growing as fast as it is, things are happy in here, and I'm happy. It just looks great. Nice rich green leaves. Means there's lots of iron in the system. Everything else is working good. The filtration seems to be keeping up so far. I do have concerns that it's not going to keep up, because I have added food to the system now, like the tilapia. These guys, they act like they're hungry, but they've been they're getting fed more than they probably ever have. I balanced out their food. I've got it weighed out and calculated, and to the point where I'm feeding them exactly what they need. They're getting about 20 grams of food per fish per day, and so that's optimal to keep the nitrate levels up and keep everything balanced, keep the plants happy. So that's all set up and going. My digester, it's a fancy word for a barrel full of fish poop, essentially. They call them digesters. Anyways, this thing's working great, but that's exactly what it is. I've got a tank heater and a bubbler in there, and surprisingly, like it actually smells good, which is crazy. So that's where we're at, and yeah, things are good. So I'll keep the updates coming, and watch, enjoy, learn, ask questions. If I can help, I will. That's what it's all about. I want everyone to be able to do this. It's not about me doing it. It's about everyone learning how to do it and being more self-sustaining, and just eating healthy food and doing better for ourselves and for the environment, and it's all good things. So yeah, share if you will, like, subscribe. Thanks guys, have a great day.